We've had revolutions in how we make things before. First, we had machines to build things for us. Then we had factories and assembly lines to make things faster. Now, we're on the edge of something even bigger, 3D printing. Imagine a world where you can make anything you can design right at home. That's the promise of 3D printing. 3D printing isn't just a cool technology, it's a game changer. It's already transforming industries from healthcare to space exploration. But like any good revolution, it's just getting started. We're talking about making things that were impossible before. We're talking about making things cheaper and faster than ever before. We're talking about putting the power of creation in the hands of everyone. This is why I'm so excited about 3D printing. It's not just about the technology, it's about the potential. It's about what we can do with it. It's about the future we can create. So how does this magic actually work? It all starts with a digital design. Think of it like a blueprint created on a computer. This design is sliced into thin virtual layers. The 3D printer reads these layers one by one. It then lays down the chosen material layer by layer, following the design perfectly. Imagine a baker carefully piping icing onto a cake, but instead of icing, it's plastic, metal, or even chocolate. As each layer solidifies, it bonds with the one below. Slowly, the object takes shape, growing from a flat surface into a three-dimensional reality. Not all 3D printers are created equal. Just like there are different tools for different jobs, there are different types of 3D printers, each with its own strengths. One common type is FDM, or fused deposition modeling. This is like the trusty glue gun of 3D printers, melting and extruding plastic to create solid objects. Then there's SLA, or stereolithography, which uses lasers to solidify liquid resin, like developing a photograph in 3D. For really tough jobs, there's SLS, or selective laser sintering, using a high-powered laser to fuse powdered materials like nylon or metal. Each type of printer has its own best uses, from making prototypes to creating custom medical implants. And the best part, the technology is always improving, getting faster, more precise, and more affordable all the time. The future of 3D printing is limited only by our imagination. Already we're seeing amazing things. In medicine, doctors are 3D printing custom prosthetics, implants, even human tissue. In aerospace, lighter and stronger parts are being printed for airplanes and rockets, making them safer and more efficient. Designers are using 3D printing to create complex and beautiful objects, pushing the boundaries of art and fashion. But this is just the beginning. Imagine a world where you can print your own tools, toys, even food. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your exact DNA, or houses built on demand, brick by printed brick. 3D printing is more than just a technology, it's a paradigm shift. It's a tool that empowers us to create, innovate, and solve problems in ways we never thought possible. It's a revolution that's happening now, and it's one we can all be a part of.